Hello guys, so welcome back. In this video, let's have a look on the insert loops which we have in ZModeler tool. So just select the brush and then we have the ZModeler here. You can press B, Z and M to access that. Once that is done, you can hover the cursor over the polygon, edge or the vertex point. So if you hit, place your cursor on the polygon and then hit spacebar, you get the menu where you could choose the insert polyloops, which is the polygon action, and you got the target and the interactive splits. Right now I've got the single poly which works on one single polygon where you click. So you got this pointer which is going to guide the loop here. So if the pointer is sidewards, you get the loop this way, and if the pointer is vertical, you get the loop this way. Okay, so if you just click and drag it, and then you should be able to see it's not only giving the loop, and it is also giving that sort of bevel in the center. If not, one or two loops, it looks pretty good for modeling things. And we have the loop mode, which is the default one. You have the grid mode in the modifier section where you can just click and drag and then you get the grid mode here. We also have the sunburst mode where you're getting the triangle in the center, and then we got the it's like the sun rays coming out from the center of the selected polygon face. Okay, we have the poly group given as alternate, which means if you could see, one poly group is blue and another one is the green, so this is alternate. You can put the same poly group, and then we got the keep poly group. If any poly group is existing, it keeps the same thing if the poly group is on. If not, whatever the result has been created, that will be created in one single poly group if the same poly group is assigned there. So we have these three modes and then the poly groups here. Interactive split is where you just click and drag and then you get this result. Okay, whereas even split gives this result here, and you should be able to see the spacing of that is all even. You can also give specific points here, and just you need to click and then you get that number of points with one single click. Okay, you can also just check with the polygon loop where you could select and then just click and drag. Okay, so you should be able to see you got that result here. I was just clicking and dragging outside. So what is that you need to take care while you're doing this is, if you're just clicking and dragging it, if I drag it vertically, it adds the loops, whereas if I drag horizontally, it adds loop and it sort of bevels out that detail. So we can also apply this to flat eye line, and then just it applies to the total eye line there. The flat polygons which are on one coplanar axis. You can also choose it for the poly group eye line, and then it works for the overall poly group there. So you can check with different modes like the grid mode. So we have the sunburst mode. Okay, so you can check with the alternate poly group. You can check with the same poly group, and then you can check with the keep poly group. So most of the times you should see same poly group and keep poly group is giving the same poly group option. Okay, so this is all what we have with the insert polyloops tool. I hope you like this video. If you've got any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe the channel and hit a like button. Thank you.